Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar Rilès or Rilès. That's depending on which country you're staying at and pronounce his name anyway. I think he is French-speaking Moroccan guy who does this song called Obvious. Alright, we had Rilès before on this channel and this is a great song, Obvious. Let's go into this one with capo set on the first fret. That's the best scenario for us. We have 4 chords to handle that, and it goes almost in the same with the entire song. We can choose to play the melody, which is great, and also an easy strumming pattern to combine that if you want to, and then we have a bridge part later on. We'll come to that. First, the 4 chords needed, and we're gonna start with the E minor. So E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. C next, and that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have A minor, and that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And then finally we have the B. And I played with 2 bars. You're gonna play at least 1 here on the second fret, and you push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. 5 strings there, and then you need to have 4th on D, 4th on G, and 4th on B. Like I said, I play with 2 bars, so I play this ring finger and try to push down the 3 strings there with that, and I try to stay in the mid area when it comes to the strumming if I choose to go with strumming later. Anyway, that is how you handle the chords, and yeah, let's go into the melody parts. The chord progression will be in the same way as we learned them, so E minor, C, A minor, and B. That's the order of it. Let's do this melody chord by chord starting with E minor. So E minor part goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play the open E string, the bass, to get that first, together now with the open high E, and then open B, then open high E, then third E, then third to second to open, okay? I just hit the third there, and then I pull off to get the second E, and I pull off that second E to get the open E. Okay, so I don't pick all these 3 notes. I pick the first one, the third E. Then I use the pull off technique there. And then I'm gonna hit the second E again and open E. That's E minor part, so slowly. Okay, that's E minor. Over to C now, it goes like this. So you're gonna play 3rd fret on A string together with first B, open G, then open high E, then third E, and then we have the same here, third to second to open, and then second E and open E. Then we have the A minor part. It goes like this. And that is to play open A together with first B, second G, back to first B, then second high E, then open high E, first B, and then open E, and first B. Okay, so it goes. And then we have the final B left, and it goes like this. And when you play the melody, you pretty much have to, or not have to, but I do it. I use my fingers here on the 4th fret. So that goes against what I said before to having 2 bars in front of it. I play this grip when it comes to strumming, and I play with the fingers to have more control when it comes to the melody. Anyway, you're gonna play 2nd fret A string together with 4th G, then 4th D, Then you reach out to 5th B with a little pinky there, and then 2nd high E. You have that barred. And then you move in the pinky to the 4th fret and play 4th B, 4th G, 4th D, back to 4th G, and 4th B. And there you have the B part. So it goes like this. And that is the melody part. Now into the strumming, and we're going to use, of course, the same chords. And we have a very simple strumming pattern that goes down, down, clap, down. So if you grab the E minor, you're going to play. That is 1 round. So down, down, clap, down. You're going to play 2 rounds per chord. That means E minor 2, C2, A minor 2, and B2, like this. Again, E minor, C, C, A minor, and B. And then you can go into the melody like. So on. All right, we have a bridge part later at 2 minutes and 7 seconds into the song. This is just to play 1 note at a time, so we don't have to go through that too much, but just mention the notes. You're gonna play them on the 3rd fret E string, then open A, then 3rd A, a pause, and then 3rd A again, then 3rd E, and then 2nd E. Just for that 1 round, and then you go back to this main melody or strumming, and that is how you handle Rilès Obvious. All right, nice song, highly appreciated here on Goring Guitar, and outside Goring Guitar as well. So a great following there on Rilès. So give it a try if you love that song, and until next time, play tuned.